Imagine a tiny home on wheels that brings together comfort, simplicity, and clever design, all packed inside a compact trailer that can be pulled by a simple bicycle. As the camera slowly glides into the interior of this mini camper, you immediately notice how every inch of space has been thoughtfully crafted to make life on the move feel warm, organized, and surprisingly luxurious. The interior welcomes you with a soft golden glow from warm LED lighting, giving the entire space a cozy, relaxing atmosphere. Even though the camper is tiny from the outside, the inside feels open, clean, and beautifully arranged, almost like a modern studio room shrunk down to its most efficient form. Right at the center of the space sits a perfectly fitted single bed, neatly tucked against the curved wall of the camper. The bedding is smooth, fresh, and bright, creating a clean contrast against the elegant wooden headboard behind it. That wooden touch instantly brings warmth into the room, making it feel less like a trailer and more like a miniature hotel room. The size of the bed is crafted so well that it offers enough length for a comfortable sleep while still leaving space for storage underneath. This is one of the key features of this compact home. Everything has a purpose, and everything is placed so smartly that nothing ever feels cramped. Just above the bed runs a beautifully finished wooden shelf, adding both functionality and visual charm. Placed on it are small jars, spices, a couple of containers, and a few everyday essentials. These aren't just stored randomly, they're arranged neatly to keep the interior visually pleasant and easy to use. This shelf reflects the philosophy of the camper: keep it simple, keep it light, and keep everything within reach. The black metal brackets supporting the shelf add a modern, minimalist touch, blending perfectly with the soft wooden tones. On the right side of the camper is a compact but fully functional mini kitchen setup. A small white sink with a sleek chrome faucet is mounted at the perfect height, making it easy to wash hands, clean dishes, or prep a simple meal. Right above the sink, the same warm lighting helps brighten the workspace, making it usable even at night. The countertop and surrounding interior panels feature the same smooth wood finish you see throughout, keeping the entire design cohesive and stylish. A small cooking pot rests on the shelf above, giving a hint that the owner can make tea, cook noodles, or prepare breakfast right inside this tiny rolling home. It's minimal, but it delivers exactly what you need when you're traveling light. The flooring beneath your feet is covered in a clean, polished wooden texture, which adds a natural feeling and enhances the visual warmth of the interior. Even though the space is small, the wooden floor helps ground the design and gives it a sense of stability and comfort. You can almost imagine